What just happened?
You just saw potential energy, which started with an explosion, which you can see there's balloon particles everywhere, and it propelled itself through and used through the funnels and used and gravity and energy to pull itself through and into the cup and launch up the string, and it really used that power to get it up, yank it up, and then the ball went into the chute, and then it went into the runway, and then we had to put a block there because it doesn't roll as easily as the ball, and also we needed to give it some friction because it was going too fast.
Yeah.
And the block hits the paddle, and the paddle hits the first domino.
Great. And we almost had a domino train.